NEET 2025, one of the most crucial medical entrance exams in India, but this year things took a turn. The paper was difficult, way more difficult than what anyone expected. That's a common sentiment echoing from thousands of students across the country. Social media blew up, coaching centers are divided, and parents are confused. Well, students, they're panicking. So the question is, was it right for the NTA to set such a difficult paper? Side A says that it's a competitive exam. It's not about passing or failing, it's about ranking. And if it's hard for you, it's hard for everyone. The cutoff will adjust. Whereas side B says that it wasn't just hard, it was disproportionate. And some questions were way above the NCRT level, which NEET is supposed to follow. You can't just shock students like that. Now, here's what I think. We've seen exam standards falling lately, papers getting easier, leaks happening, and luck playing a larger role than skill. So honestly, a challenging paper is not the worst idea. In fact, it's a little refreshing to see a test that pushes students and forces them to actually think. That's what education should be, right? But here's the flip side. If the paper gets too hard and if it's made with the intention to confuse rather than to test, it stops being a fair assessment. It becomes a mind game. And that's not what a national exam should do. NEET should be tough but balanced. It should reward preparation, not punish students for expecting the level that they were told to prepare for. Because at the end of the day, a good exam doesn't separate the best from the rest, it brings out the best in every student. And if you like these kinds of videos, please consider subscribing to Lolly.